Okay, I'm going to show you the secret place where your dust is collecting and clogging up your handheld cleaner. This is the Black Decker Dustbuster Extreme, and I thought it was finished. Okay, just a small point. This lever here, the idea of this is this shakes the filters inside to release some of the dust. You may not have known what that was for. Okay, so let's open her up. Now remember, the one fault with this is I normally do this out in the garden, but I'm doing it on the table. My wife's not around because everything jumps out. Okay, so that's full of dust collected. I can tip that out. That's easy enough. And that's all I'd been doing. But in fact, there's a second filter. Move that, okay. So that's held on by just twist and release. And then inside here, now I've actually cleaned this one, so it's not as dirty as it should be, but that was all caked with very, very fine dust. So kick that out, and the instructions advise that you should wash both pieces under the tap, rinse them under the tap and then dry them. That goes in any old how. You then have to relocate the 3 pins. It always seems a little tricky to me. I haven't pushed this back in properly. I guess that's the problem. I haven't got it on the bottom properly, that's all. That's it, the 3 little big holes, twist. There you are. That was the one which was holding me up there. This goes on a little bit tricky. You have to get the bottom thing in first. Right, that's in, that's clicked. Now you should find your dustbuster works a whole lot better than it was before. Just one point, remember, do this now and again. That shakes the inner filters. Okay, bye, over and out.